In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import themes demo into Shopify. This is a great way to give your online store a professional and cohesive look by using pre-designed layouts that fit your brand's style. Whether you're new to Shopify or just looking to enhance your store's appearance, this guide will walk you through each step to ensure a smooth import process. To get started, first log into your Shopify account. Once you're in, navigate to the left-hand side of your dashboard and click on Online Store. This will open up a drop-down menu where you'll find the Themes option. Clicking on Themes takes you to the page where all the magic happens. Here you have the chance to manage your current theme or explore new ones. Now, to import a new theme, look for the Add Theme button. Click on it and then select Upload Zip File from the options provided. This feature allows you to bring in themes you've downloaded from external sources. Make sure you have your theme file ready and it's in a .zip format. Once you have located your theme file, upload it onto Shopify. It might take a moment, so be patient while the system processes your file. After successfully uploading your theme, the next step is to click on the Customize button. This will let you dive into the various settings and layouts your theme has to offer. It's always exciting to see what's possible with new designs. Once you're in the customization area, look for the Theme Settings option. This section gives you access to all the configurations that can make your store uniquely yours. If your theme supports a demo importer, you're in luck. This feature makes it incredibly easy to replicate the demo layouts provided by the theme developer. Simply click on Import Demo or Demo Content. You will then be presented with different demo layouts to choose from. These layouts showcase how your store could look, complete with sample products, images, and text. Select the demo layout that best fits your vision for your store. After making your choice, click Import to bring in all the demo content. This process might take a little time, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantly. Once the import is complete, you'll have a beautifully laid out store that's ready for your personal touch. In conclusion, importing a theme demo into Shopify is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your online store. By following these steps, you ensure that your store not only looks professional, but also stands out from the crowd. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you create the store of your dreams. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.